It's time for some more openings from the stuff I got from Diecast, from WhatNot, some WhatNot giveaways, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Welcome to TV's Hobbies. And it is time to actually go to the wall. The ones that are actually up on the cards, for those of you that do not know that have watched my stuff, the ones that are around on cards are either like a card variation I don't have two of one that's already in my collection, or it's one that I just have one of. All the ones that are opened and loose, those are the ones that I actually have two of. Eventually I'm going to be, and down here, I'm going to eventually display my collection in the cards as well, not just the cards here. But for right now, for space, until I figure out how to display them, right now I wanted to keep the ones I only have one of out so I can keep track of it, so I can possibly find another one. But anyway, for this video, we actually get to take two off the wall because I got another one that I can actually open for you guys. And the first one is this Chevelle. It's coming off and actually going into the actual collection. And the second one is this Firebird up here. This one's coming off and going into the collection. Now I have a card that's old card that I won from a giveaway on WhatNot. Y'all can tell me how much you think it's worth. I don't know. I'm not for sure. I haven't looked it up yet, but it's pretty cool on the giveaway that I won. A lot of people that do the giveaways, not that I'm complaining or anything like that, because any free cards is awesome or any free stuff is awesome, but a lot of them just give away, you know, little cards that is not necessarily cards that I actually collect. Okay, just put it that way. But they don't know what you collect or not, so they give out what they think you may like. But they don't give out stuff. They don't give away stuff like this. There's only very few collectors or very few sellers on WhatNot that does this, and they actually did it. So I will show that to you. Plus, I've probably got about 10 cards I'm not going to open. So you're going to want to see too that I think is absolutely awesome. I am proud of what I got from this WhatNot. Probably almost from any other WhatNot shipment or auction that I got from. So I think you'll enjoy it. All right, so let's start with the ones I'm going to open. The ones I showed you that I pulled actually off the wall. Start off with the 67 Chevelle SS390 first. Start off with that one. Let me open it. Wow, that one was easy to open. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love the detail on it. I love the wheels on it too. Here's what it looks like. I mean, that just looks so good. The wheels, the mag wheels, it looks so good. The racing stripes. It has a bunch of little decals and stuff on the sides of it. A little bit of detail. Love the way it looks. It's got like little breathers and stuff on the openings and stuff on the actual hood. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, now let's get to the other one, which is the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. When I actually got this from the auction, somebody actually put in the auction chat, said that card is screwed because it's more than just like a regular sticky thing that will pull off. This will actually stay on the actual blister itself, but what they didn't know is I already had one and I was just going to use this to open anyway. So I got this for $1. Ooh, I like this. Look at all the branding stuff and everything on the sides of it, and the detail on the back. Love this. Look at all the detail on the side of it. In the back. It's got the hood open, showing the hood. There's tons of different color variances of this. I've already opened 2. I've got like 3 other ones, but that I don't have another one for though. So yeah, I really like this one too. I really like it. So that's all the ones that I'm actually going to open. So I'm going to change the camera angle a little bit because I want to show you this stuff. All right, this stuff actually came from somebody on WhatNot that goes by just simple HHW, like Hot Wheels, but with 2 H's, HHW, and then the number 88. I won a giveaway as well while I was on there, and the giveaway is absolutely amazing. I don't see. It says a replica of a 1968 package. It says custom auto, and it is from HotWheelsCollectors.com. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. That right there is what it looks like. When he showed that to me, I'm like, oh my gosh, okay. I've never won anything like this. I've won a couple of giveaways. It's like just one car, but not an old one or anything like that. It's pretty much newer cars. Nothing this big. So thank you, HHW88. Actually, all this stuff is from HHW88. I've got probably about another 10 cars to show you or close to it. So bear with me and enjoy while I show these to you. I want to show you a couple different variances that I got that I actually, if I wasn't paying attention, I was actually getting ready to open them. But I'm glad I didn't. Let's see here. I got this one right here, which is a 69 Chevy pickup. It's red, and it's got a lot of different detail to it. I love the way it's detailed. C10, Silverado, whatever you want to call it. But I was like, yeah, I got another one of these. So this is the second one I can actually open it. I'm glad I looked close because the other one is blue, not red. So they're color variances. So now I got to pick up. I passed up on a couple of these on WhatNot, thinking that this one was going to be a second one of this. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find one of each somewhere eventually. And then the other one is with this Musclemania 17 is a 70 Chevelle SS. It's orange. Side of it looks like. Front of it looks like. And there's what the back of it looks like. Now, as you can see, there's one right here that I have up on the wall. Again, I thought, okay, this one's one I can actually open. But there's differences in these actual cards and the actual cards. This card here says Hot Wheels for real and a few other stuff, and it's an actual international card, which is this one. And this one here is a international card, and it actually says right here on the side, if you can see it, that it actually comes with car bands. There's the car bands on the bottom of it. So these are actually different as well. They're the same, but they're different. So I'm glad I checked all that stuff and everything, because I was going to open one of these too as well, but these are different, so I'm not going to open them. Now the next one I want to show you all is a 70 Chevelle SS, the one from the Fast and Furious series. I have showed you one of these before. Look at that card art. I mean, that is just so pretty. The vehicle is pretty in itself. But I've showed you one of these before and actually opened one of these up because it was from a Fast and Furious 5-pack that I got 2 of. But this one I will not be opening up because I do not have a single card with that vehicle, and I don't know if it's exactly the same until I actually open it. But I already have one already open that's kind of like it, so we'll wait to see if I can't get maybe another one of these and open them for you in the near future. Like I said, when I get another one from the stuff that's on the wall, I'll show you. I'll pull it from the wall and say, hey, look, we finally get to be able to pull one from the wall, and we're going to be able to actually open it. The next one I want to show you is a 2004 first edition, and it is a 19. I don't see it. It says, I think it says 68 Nova, which is real pretty, and I love the stance of it. Sometimes a lot of these diecast Novas that they make of this body style, they tend to make it too short. They don't. It's shorter between the back wheel and the back of the actual vehicle, which I don't know why. But Hot Wheels normally does a pretty good job, and this one is pretty good for the actual Nova. I love it. Then I have a Street Beast 11. It's an 87 Pontiac Firebird 400, which is kind of like the almost identical to the Camaro body style. But look at those wheels. Look at those wheels. I can't wait until I find another one of these and can actually open it and show it to you. Because I know there's glares on these blister packs. It's hard to see some of them, but I love that as well. Then the next one is a HW Racing 11 Series 69 Pontiac GTO in the Hot Wheels deco. That is pretty too. I love the stance of it. At first I thought this was a Firebird when I first seen it, just because the front of it. And then I got to looking at it and seeing the name, and it said Pontiac GTO, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, I like GTOs too. GM muscle guy. This one's cool. I really like this one. It's a 70 Chevelle SS wagon, and it's the Hearst deco, the company Hearst. It's got a lot of some gold in it, gold wheels. Love the stance, love the detail in the front, love the detail in the back. Then the last one I'm going to show you, it was actually one in a giveaway too as well. I was on there for quite a while. I won 2 different giveaways. It's actually a Cadillac race car. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up only because I'm not a race car person. Still, if I find another one of these, I may pick it up just to throw in the collection. But I'll show it to you, and then I will open it and show it to you as well. Won't put it on the turntable or anything like that. I'll just show it to you right here. I like the red lining of the wheels. Sweet. That's the side it looks like. Like I said, this is a Cadillac race car. What the front and the top of it looks like, and there's what the back of it looks like. So that's all that I have to show you right now. Again, I do have more stuff coming in here and there. You know, two to four cars, and then You know, maybe just a car here and there as well on certain days. Just different stuff as well. I'm going to have a new kind of like a little setup back here for y'all that I'll show you as well on how to display things. I got it about halfway done right now. It'll probably be finished tonight. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share our stuff, let them know about our stuff, because these unboxings and openings are only going to get better. We're going to get better and better cars every time we do this, because I'm enjoying it. Just like I tell everybody at the end of the videos, or even if I see them out and about, like when I'm going to stores and stuff, collecting or anything like that, and people start asking me questions on, hey, you know, why do you do that, or what do you look for, whatever, you know, people that don't collect Hot Wheels, I tell them, you know, get a hobby. You know, if you don't have a hobby, get one. Whether it's collecting stuff or whether it's actually doing something like a sport, or enjoying outrunning, building something, whatever it may be, get some type of hobby that you actually enjoy. One that's not gonna like break the bank for you, or as far as money wise goes, or anything like that, or get you into trouble. But get some type of good hobby to get your mind away from everything and stuff that's going on in this horrible world nowadays, with most things that's going on. It's just, people need to find any way they can to get their mind off that mentally, and getting a hobby will help. It will help. Won't make everything go away, but it will help. So it's helped me tremendously. So yeah, get a hobby. Again, we hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to go back and watch our older videos as well. This video content will get better and better with each video, and we hope to see you in the next one.